Hi there, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. I know everyone is getting ready for summer. We are so looking forward to summer here in Minnesota. We had plenty of cold this winter and also snow late in the year. So one thing that we're going to talk about is organizing your sunglasses. I recently went to the Container Store and I got this awesome glasses and sunglasses case organizer. Each tier has each drawer has three different tiers in it, I should say. And I just think this is great. We are in people's homes and we find sunglasses everywhere. Sunglasses are in your bedroom, sunglasses are in the main hall, sunglasses are in the mudroom. They're in your bedroom, they're all over the place. So what I want you to work on this week's Just the Tip, is find all of your sunglasses and create a home. What I want you to do is, if it's in the mudroom when you come into your house, or whether it's in your closet as with your accessories when you're getting ready, find that spot where they need to live. Do yourself an awesome investment and find one of these sunglasses organizers. You are going to be set up for summer, ready to go, looking cute, feeling great, and it's super easy to do it. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you next week for Just the Tip.